Quite often we'll have clients that have a large group of people, and it might be difficult for them to take those people out of the workplace at different times to attend one of our training courses. So we can go to our clients and deliver the training in their venue. The first part of that obviously is making sure that the facilities are suitable for training. We make sure that there's a room that's the right size, or that there's a space that we can use to train those people comfortably on the day. We'll go through the same information that we would if we were running the course in one of our venues. One of the advantages with that type of training is obviously you can get all your staff trained in one day at their facility. It also gives us the opportunity to be able to do some hands-on test and tag in that facility and look at the actual overall process and assist our clients with making sure that they can do it efficiently in-house. We're really proud to have dealt with some of Australia's largest companies. I think because we have that national reach, we've tailored a lot of training to suit those large providers. Quite often we'll have students that will bring in their own equipment. They may already have an appliance tester in their business. We encourage them to bring that tester along on the day, so that if the student's not confident in that tester, we can certainly help them get confident. And then obviously understanding the needs of what type of equipment they're testing when they do get back into the workplace. It's important that we're able to answer any questions they might have and tailor some of that training and testing processes specific to the equipment that they're going to see in their workplace.